that you probably shouldn't be opening this.
What makes you say that?
That. Do not open.
Come on, that's just a suggestion.
Stop. Stop it. No. Don't!
Welcome back to the Institute, the Institution of Imagination and Inspiration, LLC.
Hey, giraffe with a craft. Pig in a wig. Hi, bug in a mug. Yak with a pack. Ron.
I heard the cat lost 3 giraffes on his last mission.
Actually, it was 5. Today is going to be the best day ever! Go to the montage. Let's light it up.
Cat?
Cat!
Cat in the Hat, you have gone too far.
Did you say toot fart?
I did not. I said too far.
Toot fart?
Too far.
I heard toot fart again. So, I'm just gonna leave some things here. Okay, bye.